Hello friends, hope you're doing well. This is the final part of TradingView tutorial. If you are new or you haven't watched the previous parts, I recommend you to watch because there are too much useful subjects and points that improve your skills of using TradingView platform. Well, back to our today's discuss. In this video, we will together check the down and right ribbon of TradingView platform. Let's dive deep into the point. This first toolbar, Go To. By clicking on, a window pops up. You can enter your favorite date and time, then by pressing Go To, the chart will display the specified data. For example, let me enter an optional date here. There it is. In the custom range, you can enter your custom range. Then, charts will be displayed in the specified range. Down here we have 4 toolbars, which forms the main part of the down ribbon. The very left toolbar, Screeners. In Screener we have 3 different sections, Stock Screener, Forex Screener, and Crypto Screener. Well, what are these screeners? Let me choose Forex Screener for example. By choosing each of these 3 screeners, a list of information about symbols, including change in both percent and value, bid and ask, price, and much more options that you can apply them in the setup column by checking the square next to each case. This toolbar has a comprehensive information about all symbols and can be used for various purposes. The next 2 toolbars are interconnected. In Point Editor, you can write the script of your favorite strategy, or also write an indicator script. What is connected with the strategy tester is the script of strategy, not the script of indicator. When you have your strategy script written, then in the strategy tester toolbar, you can load it. Or moreover, in Point Editor, you can use and add the default script of strategies and indicators, which are existing in TradingView library. Click on Open here, then click on Built-in Script. This is the script list of all existing indicators and strategies in TradingView library that you can access to and make any desired changes. Now let me choose Bollinger Bands strategy directed. Then use Add to Chart option. There it is. You can see all buy and sell signals which this strategy gives in Strategy Tester toolbar. All the statistics about whole sell and buy signals such as percent profitable and also performance summary is available here. Through this tool, you can connect and log in to your broker. This is the list of all brokers that you can connect to TradingView. If you use a broker and its name does not exist in the list, well, you can open a new account and use one of the brokers listed here. Use trading facilities. Well, we are done with this ribbon. Now it's time for you to hit that like button if it was useful for you till now. And if you want to give me more energy and support, smash the subscribe in the down right side of the video. The last ribbon of the TradingView platform. The first toolbar of right ribbon is Watchlist and Details. 2 sections or windows there are. The upper window is the list of all symbols you have added, and the down window is the additional information of each symbol which you are clicking on. You can add new symbols to the list or remove an older symbol from the list. Also, you can add your favorite symbols you use more. Then there is no need to search it every time. Next toolbar is Alarms. Easily you can manage all your alerts through this toolbar. The lower window activates when an alert triggers. In the upper window, all the active alerts will be shown. Next toolbar is News, which would be considered more by traders who work in both technical and fundamental fields. Next toolbar is Data window. If cursor is not within the chart, the data shown is related to the last bar, and by moving cursor on any bar on the chart, its information will be shown in this toolbar. Next toolbar is Hot Lists, which is very attractive. This toolbar, you can find the most on both sides, either gainers and losers, within the stock of all countries listed here. It has 3 windows, and simultaneously you can watch 3 different characteristics of a country stock. For example, for USA, US exchanges. In the above window you can activate percent change gainers. For the middle window, percent change losers will peak, and for the last window, let's activate volume gainers. This is how it's going. At the same time, you can watch three different informations. Next toolbar is the calendar, or better I call it financial and economical calendar. The latest news on indexes and about investments or economic indexes you can find here. The lower window is about earnings, which by clicking on each one, its symbol and the event will be shown on the chart. Just make sure that you have activated all the events, which I talked about in the first part. All of your ideas you have published before you can see in this toolbar. The next toolbar is public chat. Traders who are interested in discussing and want to share their opinions and ideas commentary, this toolbar can be interesting for them. Next toolbar is private chat. No need to any extra explanation, it's clear. Next toolbar is ideas stream. Pay attention that the ones who you have followed, just you can see their streams. It's not public. But the next toolbar, which comes after this one, streams, is public and you can see any streams here. Next toolbar is notifications, which is clear. After that, we have order panel, which if you are connected to your broker through TradingView, all your orders made on this platform will be shown here. Next toolbar is DOM or Depot Market. Again, by connecting your broker, you can use this feature too. The next toolbar is Object Tree. Everything including drawing tools, indicators, notes, and etc. you have used on a symbol will be shown here, and easily you can remove, hide, or lock. And finally, like all other platforms, you can use the help center of TradingView and easily find the answers of all your questions on different parts of this platform. Only if after watching these 3 parts I released, still there are things unclear and vague for you. Choosing your related issue, you can read the articles and find your answers. After all, if there is anything or part that was not clear for you or you need more explanation, let me know please and comment below the video. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel before closing the video for next content and hit that like button. Have a good time. See you soon.